guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So right now we're going to be doing the 10-minute photo challenge, and I have my two assistants and my one little mini assistant here. We're going to be trying to do this challenge, and it's going to be really a challenge because it's night. So let's see how these photos will turn out. Alright, so we're going to start right here.
When I would do photos or video.
And we're going. What else? Alright, pose. Pose. Alright. 10 minutes. Alright. That was so hard to do. Next. Next.
Wait.
Next. And what do we do at the bus? And next. Yeah. Ready?
I need to get
And yeah, you're up this. Me and a ballerina.
Try again.
Rockstar. We're gonna try the one again.
Okay.
You gotta get it. Come on.
You're gonna try.
Camera right slowly.
I'm bringing you blinding.
Get there, go down. Go down now. Go down now. Come here, son. Now, go down. Come. The picture challenge, Jenny.
Hey! Just because I do.
You get that good?
I did.
Right. Next pose.
Next one. Hurry up. Precious time wasting. Let's do this. We can do it.
We can do this. I don't know how to do
Drive.
this. Ready?
Drive. Okay, what do you know before you drive?
That's 2 minutes.
Wait!
Can we? Go! Take it.
Here. No. Go.
Take it quick. We ain't get the. Hey! Yes, I'm not catching it. Yes! Wait.
25 minutes, come just tell me.
Yeah.
Ready?
Ready?
What if we do? No, catch it. Alright, we're gonna do it like one race. This is finish line. You have to throw it.
Wait, AJ. You don't make it look like Shana.
Ready?
Yeah.
Catch it?
Next
No,
time,
you can't pass me.
It take long. It take. You tell when it take.
I
Go
chose
back.
the flash one, that's why.
Kinda no
Dad.
see. Me not see no.
One more like you actually reach. And then somebody will come.
In your face.
What the hell?
Really?
Stop rolling.
Heard me on the track, you played it back in stereo. Now that's your favorite song, they play it on the radio. I stay working like that, you hear me, you don't feel me though. And when I level up, I feel like Super Mario. Yeah, I'm on my way up, oh. Say that offer later. You want me good, I'm gonna be greater. Yeah, you say you're on your way up now. Way up. Way up. You say you're on your way. Way up.
Bobby, got him.
I feel like Usain in the cheetah print.